Hello, spring!
We need sunglasses here.
What do you think? Spring is coming? Or not yet? I think the spring is coming na. It's already spring here now. For today's video, going to the store because tinapay is live and
Cerveza is live.
beer is live. Natutuwa siya, utang tuwa. And also, we have a sunshine today. What a beautiful day.
Mainit na.
Yo, turning here, going to Poblacion Ascula. So, hindi kami pupunta sa Porvo today. Only here in Ascula. Dapat lang na ang spring ay darating because we need sunshine. Not always snow.
Continue that course a little bit
Later?
after we arrive back home.
Okay.
That's it.
What is that? The greenhouse?
Oh yeah. Greenhouse.
Nagbibinta sila ng mga fresh vegetables. I like this route. I like this way going to Poblacion. Because a lot of beautiful views here.
We didn't go to Poblacion now for a couple of weeks, diba?
Yeah.
Porvolan.
Always Porvo.
And then, of course, we were there in Savo 1 week.
Yeah. So, ganyan yung mga bahay dito. Minsan ka lang makakita ng mga matataas na building.
Ilan mga
Sa city lang.
Ilan mga cerveza bibili ako?
Ilang serbesa kaya?
Tatlo, apat.
Tatlo lang.
Tatlo lang. Sakto lang. Okay.
I haven't been in city yet, in Helsinki.
No, not yet. I was
Yeah.
thinking that maybe sometimes do you want to go to
So I think
Itakeskus there?
a lot of tall buildings there, right?
Not so much.
Yeah, not so much. Of course, that is the city,
Yeah. We have seen pictures and videos from Helsinki Center.
the capital of Finland. So I like the view here.
Here is daycare center.
Daycare center, and then one store, only one store.
Not here.
Not here?
Yeah, no stores here.
Only the daycare center.
Yeah. Isa lang store sa Ascona.
Finally here in the store. So, nag-iisang store dito sa Ascula Poblacion. So, bibili lang kami and then going back to our place.